So this is the engineer style, the pleated engineer style, and the brim that I'm making is the same style that goes on this. The only difference is I'm using contrasting stitching on the one I'm making. This has matching blue stitching. So this is the style hat that I first made 5 years ago. The crown was a different fabric, but generally it's the same overall look. And this is the one that I sell the most of for all the railroaders across the country, the steam engines, tractor guys, machinists, farmers. Everybody can wear these. This is the general work hat pre-1950s for almost every trade. So one of the things that I'm a little OCD about that I do that other manufacturers don't do is while I'm sewing the pleats in, I try to make it so that the fold ends on the same color.
And I've worn button cuffs. I thought it would be more accurate.
This is really intuitive. Since you're sewing blind, you kind of just have to be able to estimate where the brim is supposed to sit. So it's very similar to the fuller, more rounded, taller. So I'm almost finished. Closing up the last seam and putting the brim on. And that's the finished hat. So this is exactly like the very first one that I made 5 years ago. So it's a little bit big on me, but that's generally what it looks like.